So I did all the towns around. Now we ain't working for Sweat.
Yeah.
All flat.
Yeah, right. My brother lives there.
Hello. What is that?
You made it. I thought you weren't going to make it.
Yeah, I got here late.
This will be fine right here, my friend.
You got it.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir.
Well, are you still in charge?
Yes, I'll take a ride.
You still in charge, my friend?
You don't mind crawling, do you?
No.
Okay. Yeah, I know. That's why I brought it. I can't believe the quality of cars this year.
It's just impressive.
Just unbelievable.
¿Te lo hizo?
I'm going to try and do one side, then turn around and go back and do the other. So it's not so shaky. Oh, that's perfect. That's a beautiful street rod. Here, you want to take the camera? There you go. That should be recording. Again, hello.
Well, that's what I'm afraid of.
Sir, how are you?
say to each of you most gratefully, as I throw each one of you a kiss, this is my kind of town. Chicago is my kind of town. The Union Stockyard, Chicago is one town that won't let you down. It's
They're about ready, about 5-10 minutes. Thanks, folks. The fun never ends.
Sorry, on your. Might as well wave one there.
That's good.
exactly.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Whatever, yeah. You had a black coin right now, I agree.
What is it, 67?
This like 60. Is this the? I don't think so, but
Oh, there's two Corvairs.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Hey, this one over here, you should see the engine compartment. It's gorgeous.
Well, the first has got to be broken, just like the Boston.
Look at these cars. This is unbelievable. This truck over here is unbelievable. The restoration work on that truck is amazing. Just incredible. I mean, the quality of cars this year is just incredible.
So we need to head back up the hill.
What's that?
We need to head back up the hill.
Okay. Hey, you can insist. I didn't know if you wanted to go back or not.
Sure.
Let's see if we can get a better view of these.
We have a good laugh on that.
That way.
Should we get the club members' cars too? Can we go around?
This way. Back way. Same route we took before.
Mopar, you got a Mopar now.
400 horsepower. Who's this guy? There's always one wise guy club member. Did you see that Mustang?
Yeah.
Unbelievable. The amount of money he's got in it. Could you drop that off for us? Thank you, I appreciate it. I didn't have a chance to get over there. Appreciate it.
You're not getting
That's really neat.
Send money, Mom.
So we're going to start putting some more gifts out here. So far we've given away a whole bunch of meals and a whole bunch of toys, and there's some strange stuff up here. We want to give away some more of it. Don't despair, if you haven't won yet, we're giving away 61 dresses today. All right. First ticket is 4, 1, 3.
Whoops, sorry.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
The old back is just not like it used to be.
I know that feeling.
You didn't know you were going to have Uber service here.
Hey, we should charge $5 a ride and let it go to charity. Watch, he's going to hop off now. What t-shirt you get made up?
Oh, it was one that was extra large in the car show shirt. This one.
Oh, great. GTO's pretty. I gotta tell you, the selection of cars this year is just unbelievable.
Yeah, it's beautiful. A really nice show.
It really is. Goodness. Look at all the Mustangs. Look at the sidecar, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
How many total cars did they have?
I don't know.
It's over 100. About 120, I believe.
I'm good.
We could probably head down that way.
Where's your car?
It's back around on the other side.
Okay, you mind going for a ride?
No, not at all.
Okay.
I was going to say I can walk down there.
You sure?
Yeah.